Welcome to another AMI Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about the DSC and the different designs for the cell and the advantages and options that you have. The heart of the DSC cell is the heat flux blade. This is an integral part of the thermocouples that measure the difference in endothermic and exothermic between the sample and the reference. At the heart of the DSC is the heat flux plate. The heat flux plate is where the thermocouples are connected and make contact with the sample and the reference pan, thus being able to measure the energy that is absorbed or given off during your experiment. The heat flux plate actually becomes an integral part of those thermocouples. AMI is unique in that we offer 4 different versions of this heat flux plate. We offer them out of constantan material and chromel material. The constantan is a very commonly used heat flux plate by a number of companies. However, we find that sometimes that is not sufficient for our customers' needs. So we offer the chromel. The chromel is not quite as sensitive as the constantan, but all that gets calibrated out and you basically notice no difference unless you're dealing with extremely small measurements. The other option we offer is here, you can see, is cutouts around the heat flux where the sample and where the reference sit. If you need extremely sensitive heat flux plates in either chromel or constantan, you can buy the one with the cutouts. The advantage of those cutouts is obviously the sensitivity. The disadvantage is that it does open up the possibility for contaminants to get down under the heat flux plate. So with those 4 options, it gives you a lot more flexibility in how you select your heat flux plate. Over here in the instrument, we have one without the cutouts. This is the standard configuration.